Hola, hey guys, how are you? I am Teacher Cass and I'm here to help you. I'm interested in teaching English, traveling, camping, and also watching movies. Do you think learning English is difficult for you? So let me tell you something, it's not my first time. I make sure that you're gonna stay on top of it. I have got almost 10 years experience in teaching from elementary to advanced levels, and I can handle all students. I can make a positive and engaging learning environment for students so you can feel more comfortable and energetic to participate and study. And also, we can talk about your goals, your situation, and your purpose for studying. And after that, we can come up with the best method. So, if you want to achieve your English fluency and accuracy, please come and join my trial lessons. Okay guys, gracias and thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see you in my trial lessons. Goodbye.